Good morning, noon, or night. Happy Monday. It's June 1st today, which is exciting because June is such a beautiful warm month. Anyway, we're going to get started with some math today. So find your math page, get yourself a quiet spot, settle in, and let's get going. All right, grade 4, let's get started with our math today. So the first one is asking you to create a shrinking pattern. Now, a shrinking pattern is a pattern that gets smaller each time. So I'm going to start at 100, and maybe I'm subtracting 2 each time. 100, 98, 96, 94, 92, 90, 88, 86. I could go on and on and on, but I won't. Your shrinking pattern could be any number. I'd like you to try and make one that's different than mine. Make this, and you don't have to subtract 2. You could subtract 10. You could subtract whatever you want. It doesn't have to start at 100. Be imaginative. It says make the statement true. 30 plus something equals the same is the same as something plus 10. You could do almost anything. I could do 30 plus 10 is the same as 30 plus 10. I could do 30 plus 15, which is 45, is the same as 35 plus 10. There are many combinations that you could think of for this. There's more than one right answer. Okay. Are these differences equal? So 13 subtract 8 or 20 subtract 6. So to start that first, I'm going to tell you, okay, 30 subtract 8 is going to be 10, 12, right? Because 30 subtract 10 is 28. Wait, Mrs. Oakes, think a little bit clearer here. Sorry, guys. 30 subtract 10 is 30, is 20. Oh my goodness, I need to go have more coffee. 30 subtract 10 is 20, and 20 subtract 8 is 12. I was right all along. I don't know why I'm getting so confused by my math today, but that's okay. 12. And this one, 20 subtract 6. Well, 20 subtract 6 is not 12. It is 14. So these are not equal. So you could go equal, not equal. They're not the same. Extend the pattern. 144, 134, 124, 114, 104, 94. What would come next? What is the, I want you to do the next two. So do the next two, okay? What is the pattern rule for question number 4? So let's look, start at 144. At 144. And you're going to subtract 10. Each time they're subtracting 10. All right, this one here, I'm going to ask you to do your start time and your finish time for this. So you're going to start, write the time when you start, write the time when you finish, then try and do your facts as quickly as you can, and then tell me your total time. Okay, so, and you can send me this. I'd love to see what your time is, but compare it to, if you still have your last sheet, or if you submitted it to me, it'll be in the chat still. You can compare it to see if your time got faster, because there's 25 last time, and I believe there's 24 or 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this time there's one extra, but that's okay. All right, that's okay. See how fast you can do it. How is your time? Do you think that you are getting quicker the more you practice? This one here, the mashup, I'm going to do one with you, and then I'm going to have you try it. So what time, remember that when you do a mashup, the key to your mashup math is finding the two pictures that are the same. They have the same value. Something times something is 100. Well, 10 times 10 is 100. So now I know 10. I can put my 10 here, my 10 here. 19 is 10 plus something. Well, 10 plus 9. I know that. Okay, so he is 9. What plus 9 is 12? So I'd have to go, well, if you do 12, subtract 9, it's 3. Remember, you just do the opposite. So that one's 3 plus 9 is 12. And then I look, okay, I have 2 of something. So 3 and 3, times 10. So 6 times 10 is 60. I would like you to try these two. Remember, start at the one that has two that are the same. So what double is 14? Start there. 2 times something is 14. Which one is it? And what double is 12? Something plus something is 12, and it is a double. And then that will unlock, it's like the key to unlock the rest of your mashup. So practice your facts, time yourself, okay? And then you can check your facts using a multiplication chart. I did post an answer last time, but then I thought about it and I thought, you know, if you were to go and check all these facts and have to revise it yourself, I think you would get a better practice value out of it. So grab a multiplication chart. I can post one on the grade 4 math team. And you can check your own work, because I think you guys will be surprised how much more practice you get when you're checking your own work. All right, so the last part that we're going to do today is we're going to draw the perimeter. So it says to draw, and remember, perimeter is the outside of a shape. I'd also like you to try and write the area. Right? I'm running out of ink here. Just switch pens. Write the area. So you're going to draw a shape with a perimeter of 12 or 10 or 18 or 16 or 6 or 24. I'm going to do the first one to show you, and then I'm going to leave you to do it. So actually I'm going to do 2 with you so that you for sure know what you have to do, and then I will leave you to do it. So I look here, okay, 12. It does not have to be a rectangle. You could do a rectangle of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's 2, 4, 4, 2. 4 and 4 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 2 more is 12. Now the area is the inside. So the area would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 units squared is your area. I'm going to do one more with you, and it's 10. So you could do any shape you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can't do it that way. 7, 8. Nope, can't do it that way. I may have messed this one up. I'm going to try again. So you could do it mathematically and go, okay, 3 and 3 is 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. I was trying to be creative, but 10 isn't a lot to be creative with. So I'm realizing you might not be able to see that. I'm going to go over it with a highlighter so you can really see. So I've got 3 here, 3 there, which is 6 altogether, and then I have 2 and 2. So 3 and 3 is 6, plus 2 more is 8, plus 2 more is 10. My area, count the squares, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6 units squared. So now I'm going to have you go and try to draw a shape. Does not have to be a rectangle. Rectangles are the easiest to figure out, with the perimeter of these numbers, and then write the area next to it. So how many units squared? So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 units squared. Okay, I would like to see this if you get a chance to set it in. I'm curious to see how your work goes. Thank you very much. I know this is a short math video, but I'm trying to get you guys to do some things more independently. So you can go and work on your multiplication and your mashup, and then move on to your perimeter and area. All right? I will, again, I'm not posting the answers for these because I think you can do it. Okay? Go through and do them. And the mashups, I will post to our class math, the grade 4 channel, okay? So I'll post it to the grade 4 channel at the end of today, so you can check your work. All right, feel free to send me your work. I love seeing it, please, please, please. But I understand that's stressful for some families, so do your best. I will see you on Wednesday for more math. All right, you did it. That was your math for today. Please send me a message if you have any questions. Today's math was not an assessment. The assessment this week is in the ELA, So check out your ELA and figure out your book talk. So I'm going to be messaging you about your book talk. The math day I would love to see if you'd like to share it with me. You can take a picture and send it to me on Teams or Class Dojo. I do take the picture and I put it into a special notebook. So I take it from Teams or Dojo and I put it into a special notebook. And every student that I have has a section of this notebook for every subject that I teach. So I am keeping your work safe, and I'm collecting all the evidence of your learning and keeping it in a special spot. So thank you for sending it in. I really appreciate it. And I will see you again on Wednesday for more math.